But we are at India Gate, and like I said a few moments ago, there were protests, but the Delhi police bandobast is complete even right now. In fact, there's been unprecedented presence of the police at this point in time. In fact, from the afternoon, where Delhi police and the riot control police, the RAF, had gathered in large numbers. Remember, this is a tourist area as well and a high security zone, and that's the reason why this protest was disallowed by the Delhi police. I, in fact, also happened to meet Saurabh Bhardwaj, leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, who joined in the protest, though he did say that this should not be political. The right to breathe is everybody's right. He's also said that the BJP has been fudging data, and neither his government nor the government of the Congress Party in the past had done this, though air pollution was a problem even during when they were in power. Listen to what he said. Independent AQI monitors, we've also been looking and reporting from ground zero. Obviously, the air situation is very bad as what is being projected. Allegations that AQI data has been fudged, and right now protesters are not being allowed to gather here at this point in time. What do you have to say about the way the situation has been handled? The BJP, of course, goes on to say that this is a problem that has been created over a period of years. This is not this year's problem.
So, I think pollution has been a problem of Delhi and northern India.
Yes.
There is no denial to this fact. But you did not see these intellectuals coming down on the road before this. Why? Because today there is a trust deficit between the citizens and the government. And that trust deficit has been created by the government. They are openly fudging data. Whenever there is a peak, they stop taking data from the AQI centers.
I want to ask you, how important is the messaging from the top political leadership in the country? Because people aren't wearing masks. Life is just like going about as normal.
So the top leadership of this country doesn't want to talk about the pollution. The moment they talk about the mask, they are indirectly talking about pollution. But the leadership is trying to push a fake narrative on the country by saying that we have reduced the AQI, while everybody in the country knows that they are fudging data. On their AQI monitoring stations, they are constantly sprinkling water. So all this AQI business is fudged. And there is so much of fudging that everybody in the city is coughing, everybody is sneezing. You have, eyes which are burning. But the Environment Minister comes every day on the television and says, look, we have reduced AQI.
And Supreme Court lawyer Prashant Bhushan was also at the protest site. We spoke with him, and also a report that I filed earlier. In fact, a series of reports that give an idea, a glimpse of how the solutions in Delhi also to deal with the air quality problem, air pollution problem, is rather half-hearted. My ground reports from Delhi's smoke towers.
Not to allow this peaceful protest. A peaceful protest is a fundamental right of citizens of this country. It has been declared innumerable times by the Supreme Court. It's really unfortunate that the government has instructed the police not to allow this protest, this totally peaceful protest in a huge place like India Gate also.
आग लगी है बस्ती में पॉलिसी मेकर बस्ती में आग लगी है बस्ती में पॉलिसी मेकर बस्ती में आग लगी है बस्ती में पॉलिसी मेकर बस्ती में दिल्ली पुलिस गो बैक 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 What do we want? When do we want it? What do we want? When do we want it?
Right behind me is one of the two smoke towers in the national capital. One is in Anand Vihar in Delhi, and the second one is in Connaught Place, where we are right now. But what do we see here? The smoke tower made at the cost of 20 crore rupees, as per the previous Environment Minister of Delhi, is not even working. Take a look at these fans right now. In fact, I do see a stray dog that has made itself comfortable right where the fans are supposed to work. But these fans are dysfunctional. So even the band-aid solutions are half-hearted here. The smoke tower has been dysfunctional right there. You can see it demarcates the meter room and the RMU room as well. It's a smoke control tower, but it is not even functional. One among the two that the ministers have said is going to help control the pollution in the national capital, but it's not even working. The problem is that in the national capital, it's business as usual. We're right outside a school in Delhi city, and these children are going to school with an AQI of 300 plus, which means there will also be physical activity in school. These children will be exposed to all the air pollutants, but schools have not been shut in Delhi. It is not an emergency. In spite of the fact that it is an emergency, children are encouraged to go to school. There aren't any advisories from schools in the national capital, and it's life as usual for kids, for senior citizens, for those vulnerable. Nobody is recognizing that the air that they're breathing every moment could be deadly for them. And that's the reason why these children continue to go to school, and that there is zero advice on the precautions to be taken. Air pollution, sadly, has been normalized in our country. ये स्कूल बंद होना चाहिए या
भी या हाइब्रिड मॉडल हो जाना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? अगर
आप लोग का साथ नहीं बोलता क्या? आप लोग के घर में आप लोग के घर में इस्तेमाल नहीं है? हाँ, कल को आपके बच्चे पैदा होंगे ब्रीदिंग कंडीशन के साथ, आप लोग क्या करोगे तभी? स्टूडेंट को मार रहे हैं आप लोग? हाँ, ऐसा आप लोग ये ब्रूटैलिटी।
Right, in fact, these protests in the national capital where protesters have been detained and taken away, but this was rather expected given that the permission for the protests weren't given, but the citizens are saying this really is their right to breathe, and they weren't really affiliated to any political group, but they were citizens of Delhi. The students, parents, residents who are in fact breathing in this toxic air day in and day out. What's also shocking is that we saw the police were detaining some students, some young students, some children as well who were getting detained. Children are getting detained right here.
ये पोल्यूशन बिल्कुल देख रहा है। मेरे सारे लोगों से ये क्वेश्चन है कि जितने लोग भी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ब्लेमिंग द गवर्नमेंट विच इज़ राइट टू क्वेश्चन, गवर्नमेंट को क्वेश्चन करना हमारा राइट है। ऑन ग्राउंड लेवल आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप अगर मास कंजम्पशन के लिए बोल रहे हैं तो क्या आप मास कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहे हैं? या इनमें से जितने लोग हैं जो पशु चिल्ला रहे हैं, मैं खुद एज अ ओनर ऑफ स्ट्रीट डॉग, नॉट एज अ ओनर ऑफ कोई ब्रीड कंजम्पशन, मैं खुद क्वेश्चन करती हूँ कि इन लोगों के पास में कितने सारे ब्रीड के डॉग्स हैं। प्लास्टिक कंज्यूम करते हैं, आईफोन कंज्यूम करते हैं, मास कैपिटलिज्म है सारी जगह। आप उसमें है पार्ट? जितने लोग भी, आपका जो ये कैमरा बन रहा है, आपका जो ये फ़ोन बन रहा है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही है। जीएसटी जब तक थी ज़्यादा थी, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर स्टूडेंट, जब तक जीएसटी थी जीएसटी चिल्लाया। अब जीएसटी कम हो रही है तो जीएसटी क्यों कम हो रही है? हर साल पोल्यूशन इस कारण भी आता है कि बाकी स्टेट्स के लोग यहाँ पे जलाते हैं, उसके कारण पोल्यूशन आ रहा है, पर नहीं सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम करेंगे। आप कह रहे हो कि बासमती चावल का कंजम्पशन कम कर दो ताकि हमारे डॉलर्स का जो है हम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को सपोर्ट करें। आप खाना छोड़ देंगे? मैंने एज अ पर्सन जो दिल्ली में रह रहा है, मैंने तो मेजर यहाँ पे चीज़ें कचरा देखी है। यहाँ के लोग यमुना पानी में कचरा फेंक के चले जाते हैं। मैंने कितनी बार बोला है कचरा ना फेंको वहाँ पे।
The protesters saying that this is a basic right. Let's also give you a glimpse of what India Gate looks like right now. It's life as usual. It's a Sunday evening, and usually you'd see a lot of people, police, in fact, tourists, people who've come here, in fact, are the ones who are trying to just enjoy the view. Well, that doesn't change Sunday after Sunday. But what really changes, or rather what doesn't really change, is the fact that the air continues to remain filthy.